Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is all about solid bars. Since solid bars are being popular nowadays, so for today's review and demo is about this brand Ethique. Ethique's mission is to minimize the use of plastics such as our plastic bottles, containers, pumps, and such. So I think that is the whole inspiration behind the brand, behind the solid bars. Ethique have solid bars for hair, normal hair, dry hair, oily hair, itchy scalp, damaged hair, anything with all your hair concerns, they have it. And for the body, they have tanning bar, deodorant bar, what else? Body wash bar, and body scrub. And for the face, they have cleansers, serums, moisturizer, and face scrub. Wow! Basically, what we see or what we buy in the supermarket for our body and hygiene needs, they have it. They turn it into solid bars. So what I have in here is the face sampler, which I got from Life Pharmacy St. Luke's, retail for $30. And they are vegan-free, cruelty-free, environment-friendly, and made in New Zealand. So this face sampler consists of 5 solid bars which cater for your face needs. If you buy this one, it will show the name of the bar and then the description, and then at the bottom is the instruction. So I will go through it one by one first, reading the description of each solid bars. The first one is In Your Face, a face cleanser for oily to normal skin, and it is made with New Zealand sea salt. Next bar is the Bliss Bar, which is a gentle creamy face cleanser created for normal to dry skin. Third is Gingersnap, which consists of cocoa butter, brown sugar, and ginger, and this is a face scrub for all skin types. Next is the Perfector, which is the deeply hydrating face moisturizer, great for normal to dry skin. And of course, last but not the least is the Saving Face Serum. It is a luxurious face serum of shea butter, rosehip, and pomegranate oils. What I'm going to do is I will take my makeup off and we will proceed to the demo, and I'll be right back. And so I'm back, and this is me without any makeup on, and I'm so ready to try all these solid bars. Okay, let's start with the In Your Face face cleanser. Rub the wet bar between your hands to develop a lather, then apply the face, massage, and then rinse. Okay, so when you wet it, it's like that. Let's massage it to the face. I actually didn't expect that it will be foamy, but yeah. Next bar that we will try is the Gingersnap, which is the one in the center. And Gingersnap is your face scrub or face exfoliator. The instruction is wet face and bar, buff into face, then put bar down and massage face until sugar dissolves, and then rinse. Okay, so the sugar is starting to dissolve, and it feels so good. This face scrub is very gentle on the face as compared to the other face scrub that I've tried. Whoa, my face looks so clean. Next is the face serum. So the instruction is hold bar between your palms for a few seconds. Maybe let's warm it up a little bit. And then press serum into the face. And last, of course, but not the least, is the Perfector, which is the moisturizer. Warm bar in your hands until a little product is on your palms. Okay. And then again, pat product into the face. At first, when you apply the moisturizer, it feels sticky, but once you start rubbing it into your face, it melts right away, and then it's like your hydrating moisturizer. It's kind of like that. The feeling is like that. I admire brands like this because they are not doing business just for the sake of earning money, but also they are doing their social responsibility. and we too should do our part to help and take care of our environment and be a responsible consumer. That's it for today, guys, and see you on the next one. Bye! So let's go through it one. Ay!